Hey everybody! So in this video, I'll be showing you how I define my deep wave hair extensions from Balm.com Hair. The hair is clean, freshly washed. I went to the pool, washed it, let it air dry, so that's why it's so nice, big and poofy, because I brushed it out. Let's get right into it. So you want to make sure that your hair is wet, very, very damp. What I did was take a spray bottle and I just doused it with water. Okay, so you want to spray until it is dripping wet. And here I'm just running my fingers right through the hair, making sure that it is saturated with water. The next thing you want to do is start to define the hair. Here we're using a Denman brush. You can use a detangling brush or any kind of wig brush. And you're just going to run the brush right through the hair. Now it's time to add product. We're using LA Wet Looks Styling Gel. You want to make sure you use at least a quarter size amount of product. The more product that you use, the more defined the hair will be. Now it's time to run that product right through our hair. You want to make sure that you distribute it nice and evenly. You don't want the product more concentrated in some areas than others. So here's the finished product. It was still drying. I only used about a quarter size amount of gel here. Again, the more product, the more defined. Here I went in and added some more product, about 4 times more. So 4 quarter size amounts or more I added to the hair. Yes, look how defined it is. So again, I just added more gel because I wanted it to be way more defined. And here is the before and after, big and poofy, then defined. Here is more pictures. I love how defined it is. It still looks like it's wet when it's actually dry. Thanks for tuning in. Balm.com Hair.